Today we're looking at part number 4798. This is your trailer spindle washer for your 9K and 10K trailer axles with the number 99 spindle. This is a Rockwell trailer spindle washer, pretty common. Used on Rockwell axles, Alco quality, Hayes axles. You can use them on Carter axles, on Lippert axles, any 10K axles with the 99 spindle that uses the castle nut. You can also interchange this part, the Rockwell 4798, with the Carter 5-224 spindle washer. So let's take a look at it. The overall dimensions on it, the outer diameter is going to be 2.25 inches, so 2¼ inches. And the inner diameter is going to be 1.54 inches. You can get these at trailerpartsunlimited.com or give us a call at 844-898-8687 or just stop by our distribution center here in Huntsville, Texas, and we'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching.